Hello and welcome to the Guardian 800. My name is KR and I'm going to be your presenter for the next few minutes, helping you to understand this great opportunity and how it's going to change your financial situation. First of all, I would like to welcome you to the Guardian 800, and we're powered by the Kindred Hearts Group. If you're not familiar with Kindred Hearts is a gifting program that's been around since 2009, helping people to become financially free, guys. That is super exciting to me, and I am so glad to be part of this private community over here with the Guardian 800. So I'm going to dive right in so I can get you educated on this, and you can make that decision if you're ready to join and start getting these gifts coming in to you. First of all, the Guardian 800 is a powerful gifting project within a private community. We are a private community, and we're powered by the Kindred Hearts platform. We're using their platform because that platform is off the chain, and if you've never been with Kindred Hearts, hey, you're about to see something that's going to blow your mind, okay? And if you have been with Kindred, you already know what that platform is about. It is powerful. So the Guardian is getting ready to blow people up financially using that Kindred Hearts platform. So now let's look at this. What Guardian 800 is not. That is super important. We are not MLM. We're not a get rich quick scheme, nor are we a Ponzi scheme. We're actually working with a platform that's been around ever since 2009. I love saying that, man. I love stuff that has been around and lasting that tells you that it's good, okay? And also, it tells us that we're in a position to really help people to become financially free here, guys, because people are struggling financially, waiting on different things to happen due to COVID-19. But this is a way for us to help each other. Okay, so now what Guardian 800 is, what we definitely are. Okay, we're people helping people, right? That's one of the most important things at this time. No selfishness involved. People helping people. We are an automated gifting project. I'm going to show you the automation here, and that's going to really blow your mind. And being something that's automated, that means it's going to move whether you're moving or not. And that's super exciting and very important. G800 is linked to that 13-year-old company, like I said, Kindred Hearts Group, man. That is the platform that we're using. They've been around for 13 years, changing lives. I believe it's over 200,000 members over there in that platform. I mean, this thing is amazing. Many different groups use the Kindred Heart platform in order to run their program, just like we're doing right now because of the technology that they have over there. And also, who we are. We're somebody that's trying to help everybody to become financially free. That's financial freedom for all, guys, not just one person or two people, but financial freedom for everybody, everyone that touches us over here at the Guardian 800. We want to help you to become financially free. Who can participate in Guardian 800? Well, anyone 18 years or older, people who are willing to work as a team. Guys, you must have that team aspect and concept in your head. Working as a team, we will move faster and we will succeed together. We're also looking for people who love to share great opportunities with others. So you don't have to ask, well, do I have to talk to people? Am I bring? Yes, everyone, we're working together as a team, sharing this great opportunity with others. But it's not a hard thing that we do, and you'll see that in a second. We also love working with people who are in need of extra income today. If you're in need of extra income today, starting today, you are in the right place at the absolute right time. Like I said, get back to the person that invited you here. You need to be thanking them right now, guys. Okay, let's do a quick Q&A because I know I can't answer all of your questions, but this may answer some of the main questions that you may have. You can always get in touch with me directly or contact your sponsor to ask any further questions. Okay, what is the cost to join Guardian 800? Okay, to join us over here at Guardian, there's a one-time donation that you're going to be sending in for $100. That's it, $100 one time. $100, you're going to blow that shit at the store probably today. So now you can put your $100 somewhere where it's going to multiply, plant that seed so that money can grow and turn into more money, right? Do we have to refer others? Yes, we do. Everyone is responsible for referring only two people. When you come in for $100, you're going to refer two people. That's it, guys. How hard is it to find two people that want to make $600, $800 per day? Guys, it's not hard to find those people. They're actually looking for you. All you have to do is let them know that you're in position and bring them in. You're looking for two great people just like yourself. Now, it's very important to look for two like-minded people. You don't want to get people that's already saying that they're not going to try to bring in two people, things of that nature. You want to look for people that's going to get out there on the grind just like you are, bringing in those great two people with them so that we can move faster. Very important. How much can a member earn? Well, everyone receives $800 in gifts. You're going to receive 8 $100 gifts from the members, guys. Now that's important and that's super exciting. You're going to receive $800 in gifts, and you're going to be re-entering the program from that 800 200. You're going to take 200 from that 8. That's where the automation kicks in, and you're going to see that in a minute. When you come back in with that 200, you're going to secure 2 positions now. Instead of having 1 position, you're securing 2 positions. So instead of the next time you make it 800, you're going to make 1600. This thing is amazing, man. This is easy money for anybody, right? So as you do it based upon the 1 position, you come back in with 200. That's going to leave you 600. So that means that everyone makes $600 per cycle. When you hit those 2 positions and those 2 positions go up, that means that you're going to receive 1600, and you're going to come back in with both of those positions buying 2. That means that you, oh man, do you see the money? Now you have 1200. This thing is amazing. If the automation is forced because of the simple fact everyone that comes up to the top and get paid drops back down securing 2 more positions. Man, that is forced money in your pocket. Let's look how this thing works, man. Let's take a very good look at this. Okay, we're working on the Kindred Heart platform, as I mentioned previously, and the Kindred Heart platform operates as college. It's like college or high school. They have a freshman position, sophomore position, junior position, and of course our big boy senior position. Now, what happens is this. Everyone starts at the freshman position. You know that. You never went to school and started as a senior. Everyone starts at the freshman position by sending in their $100 donation to that senior. The senior is the one that collects the donations from all freshmen coming in. So that means that that senior is going to collect $100 times 8 people. That is $800 going into that senior's account. Once that senior has received a total of $800, that senior will then re-enter on the board as a freshman taking 2 positions. So if this sophomore right here is trying to get his 2 people, he don't have to worry because that senior just fell down there and became 2 people for him. Do you see that automation? This thing is amazing, guys. That means that you don't have to sit here and worry about it, because when this guy drops back down here and become a freshman twice, that means that sophomore have those 2 positions filled. But let me show you something that's even more exciting than that. When that senior comes out and drops down as a freshman, that means that this junior moves into that senior position. By that senior dropping down with 2 $100 payments, that means that that junior lands in that seat with $200 waiting on them. Wow. So when that senior falls down and secures 2 more positions, he automatically pays one of these juniors. Guys, that means that when you fall into the senior position, there's already $200 waiting on you. Where does that happen at? That is exciting, guys. So understand, each freshman sends $100 to the current residing senior. That's it, right? $100 and 2 people. Wow, that's nothing, guys. That's easy to do, right? So let's look at something, our mandatory reentry and the importance of that. You just seen how important it was when that senior fell back down there, dropped that 200, and it went to that junior that went into the senior position. Now, I'm going to show you the importance of this, guys. This helps our system to work very simply, okay? Mandatory reentry happens after the residing senior has received 8 $100 gifts totaling $800. That senior will then secure 2 new freshman positions on the gifting board for $200, keeping $600 for himself. So that means that senior is going to make $600, drop down to the bottom, go back up to the top, grab another $600, drop down to the bottom, go back. Do you see that? Guys, this thing is powerful. This strategy helps everyone to move quicker into the senior position with no further recruiting required. That's why I'm telling you, all you need to do is bring in 2. Everybody bring in 2 people at $100 each. Everybody is going to get paid. And you're going to be receiving money from this spillover when this guy falls back down. It pushes it. Boom. 200 is going into that junior's pocket. Now he's a senior. That 200, do you see that? Let me do a quick recap before we get out of here. You start off as a freshman. You accelerate up as a sophomore, junior, then in the pay position, which is the senior. Everyone receives $800 as a senior. Everyone re-enters for $200, keeping for themselves $600. Super simple. So, get back to the person that shared this great opportunity with you, and I look forward to seeing you in the Guardian 800. because we're getting ready to change lives and help people become financially successful. So welcome again to the Guardian 800. Take care.